Welcome! In front of me I have Rubicon LW06 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like a moon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and now the icon will get highlighted. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, and once you're done you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to disable it, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon, tap on the check mark, and the icon will change the color, and this means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.